Did you know that for an average person, it takes about 23 minutes to refocus on a task? That's about half an hour lost each time you get sidetracked. Think about how often you get distracted in a day. How much time do you think you're losing? So, what exactly is productivity and why is it so challenging to maintain? In my opinion, productivity is all about effectively focusing on a task while minimizing distractions and working according to set priorities. However, with constant notifications, social media, and the demands of modern life, staying productive is difficult. You'll likely struggle with juggling multiple tasks, unclear priorities, and a lack of structured time management. The truth is, you are responsible for these distractions. We often fail to set boundaries and prioritize our tasks. Personally, my productivity was at its lowest when I was working from home, constantly distracted by notifications, the comfort of my sofa, and the TV. I realized that without a structured environment and clear goals, it was impossible to stay consistent and focused. Here's a simple tip to get started on boosting your productivity. First, disable all mobile notifications on your phone. Put every activity that you plan to do in a calendar and stick to it as much as possible. It will be difficult in the beginning, but with time, you will get better at time management and it will turn into a habit. Don't forget to set time for things that you enjoy doing and that you find energizing. Let me ask you, when in your life have you felt the most productive? What factors helped you achieve so much during that time? Think about it. The time I felt the most productive was when I started renting a small office space to minimize the distractions at my house. I also started putting every activity into my calendar and disabled all notifications on my phone except for the calendar and phone calls. These changes allowed me to stay focused and prioritize my tasks effectively. What life goals do you have? What is the most important part of your life mission right now? Are you moving toward it in the pace you expect from yourself? For me, my current priorities are health, since without it, it's tough to focus on anything else, building engaged and honest relationships, and being more impactful in the software engineering market. Sometimes, I don't progress as quickly as I'd like, and that's fine. Sometimes, you might feel frustrated, angry, or guilty. Realize these emotions and ask yourself a question. What does it mean that I feel a certain way, and why? It will help you get back on track. What distractions or conflicting interests seem to hold you back from achieving more? How can you minimize them? Personally, I used to face distractions from notifications, comfort of my home, and activities that didn't align with my goals. Understanding these is the first step to getting rid of them. Now, let's dive deeper into strategies that boost your productivity. Set clear priorities. Define what's most important and tackle those tasks first. I recommend using the Eisenhower matrix, which you can easily create with a pen and paper. Keep in mind your long-term goals that you want to reach. Remember, you should enjoy the journey, not only the destination. Limit distractions. Identify what distracts you and find ways to minimize or eliminate these distractions. Create a routine. Establish a daily routine that includes dedicated time blocks for focused work. Remember, consistency is key. Take breaks. Regular short breaks can actually boost your productivity by preventing burnout. Another important aspect is maintaining your mental and physical health. I prioritize working out 3 times a week and counting my calories. This not only boosts my productivity, but also makes me feel better. Remember, productivity is a continuous journey, not a destination. It's about making small changes that lead to significant improvements over time. Implementing these tips can help you stay on track and achieve more in less time. So, what's your best productivity habit? Share it in the comments.